Yugi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this unboxing of Yu-Gi-Oh card 25th century. So for you guys to enjoy, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like it. Let's see what we pull. Hopefully we'll pull some good stuff. So let's start opening the box and let's see what we got in there. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will help the channel a lot. So let's get right into the box. I can't wait. Let's see what we pull. Okay, we got a little sister. Look at the box. It's so nice. The box is really nice. I love the box. It looks really nice. So let's see what we could get in this box. So let's start opening it up. All right. Let's see what we pull in here. All right. Let me put the camera a little bit more up. All right. So it just got released today for the purchase. So, oh wow, nice. We pulled the number 39 Utopia. Nice. This is one of the cards that you get here. It's pretty nice. So nice. Pretty nice. All right, let's see how it looks. Oh wow, beautiful, with the 25th anniversary right there. Oh nice, beautiful card. Nice. Let's put it here on the side. All right, so we get 3 little packs. All right, so anything else? Let me see. Let's see. Nothing else. All right, so let's start from the left side. So we're gonna go left, and then we'll continue with the other one. So let's see. Nice. They're pretty thick packs. Like that. So let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. Labyrinth Clock. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now we get a rare. Pretty cool. Okay. Oh wow, nice. Looks star. Oh nice. Ultimate Fusion. Okay, for the secret we the Labyrinth. Okay. Oh nice. Alright, so now we get this. Let's go back to the comments. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay. All right. Nice. Let's put this over here. Let's put the comments over here. So we got secret. We got this over here. All right. Let's put the comments over here. All right. Cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's go to the next pack. Let's see what we pull in this one. All right, Scareclaw. Okay. There. All right. Let's see. We're about to get to the Labyrinth. Okay, Brandon Regine. Okay, in rare. Okay. All right. Oh nice. All right, this art looks darker. Wow, this art right here looks darker. Pretty cool. Okay. All right. Oh, the runic. Oh nice. Okay. All right, more runic cards. Okay, pretty cool. All right, so let's put the secrets over here. Okay, so for our last pack we are going let's see what we pull for our last pack. Okay, so we have, okay, this is for the commons. Oh, so we get Moth in here. Pretty nice reprint. Okay. Okay. Naturia. Okay. Tyrion. Okay. Oh, nice. Labyrinth. Oh, the zombie vampire. And this is it. This is all we're gonna get for the commons. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright guys, this is it for the unboxing. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments down below what videos do you want me to bring you next. So what deck profiles do you guys want to see in this channel? And you guys already know. Thank you for enjoying the video. Thank you for liking the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And see you on my next video. See you, Yugi.